Excel is a powerful tool that allows users to organize and manipulate data, but with the integration of AI, it can become even more powerful. AI-powered features can help users gain deeper insights from their data and create more meaningful visualizations. In this video, we'll be discussing 8 talking points related to AI in Excel, including how AI can help identify trends and patterns, automate repetitive tasks, and provide real-time feedback. We'll also discuss the future of AI in Excel and the potential impact it may have on data analysis and visualization. If you're interested in staying up to date with the latest trends and developments in the world of artificial intelligence, then AI Topia is the channel for you. By subscribing to our channel, you'll have access to the wide range of informative and engaging videos that explore the cutting-edge technology and applications of AI. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of many industries, including data analysis and visualization. Excel, one of the most widely used spreadsheet programs, has also incorporated AI-powered features to help users analyze data more efficiently and create insightful visualizations. With the help of AI, Excel can now process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, allowing users to gain valuable insight and identify trends and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. In the past, data analysis and visualization require a lot of manual work, and the process was often time-consuming and prone to errors. However, with the interrogation of AI, Excel has transformed into a powerful tool that can streamline data analysis, making it faster, more accurate, and more comprehensive. This integration of AI can also help users create more meaningful visualizations for their data, providing them with actionable insights that can inform decision-making. Based on this information, what are some benefits of using AI in Excel for data analysis and visualization? Excel's AI-powered feature has significantly enhanced its data analysis and visualization capabilities. Some of the key AI-powered features in Excel include data profiling, forecasting, and clustering. Data profiling helps users gain a better understanding for their data and identifying patterns, outliers, and relationships between variables. Forecasting, on the other hand, helps users predict future trends and patterns in their data. Finally, clustering allows users to group data points based on their similarities, making it easier to identify trends and patterns. These features work by using machine learning algorithms to analyze data and identify patterns and trends. The algorithms learn from the data and can adapt to changes in the data over time, making them more accurate and reliable. With these features, users can quickly gain insight on their data and identify trends and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. This can help users make better decisions and make action based on data-driven insights. What are some other ways that AI can help streamline the data analysis process in Excel? Data analysis can be a time-consuming and complex process, and many tasks can be repetitive and prone to error. AI can help streamline this process by automating some of the more tedious and time-consuming tasks, such as data cleaning and transformation. With AI-powered tools in Excel, users can clean and transform data quickly and accurate without the need for manual intervention. In addition to data cleaning and transformation, AI can also help streamline other aspects of data analysis, such as data visualization and report generation. By automating these tasks, users can save time and focus on the more important aspects of data analysis, such as identifying trends, patterns, and insights in the data. This can help users make better decisions and take action based on data-driven insights. Another benefit of using AI to streamline data analysis is that it can help reduce errors and increase accuracy. AI-powered algorithms are designed to identify and correct errors in data automatically, reducing the risk of human error and ensuring that data is analyzed accurately. What are some examples of how AI-powered visualizations in Excel can help users gain insight in their data? Let us know in the comments below. Excel's AI-powered feature not only helps users analyze data, but also create meaningful visualization. AI can suggest inappropriate chart types based on the data, identifying trends and patterns, and provide insights into data relationships. This can help users create more impactful visualizations that effectively communicate the insight derived from the data. For instance, AI-powered visualizations in Excel can help users quickly identify trends and patterns in their data, such as seasonal trends, growth rates, or anomalies. The visualizations can highlight these trends in a way that is easy to understand, enabling users to make informed decisions based on the insight derived from the data. Furthermore, AI-powered visualizations can help users identify correlations between variables that might not be immediately apparent. For example, the AI algorithm might identify the relationship between customer age and purchasing behavior, allowing marketers to develop targeted campaigns to specific age groups. AI-powered visualizations in Excel can also help users make predictions about future trends based on historical data. These predictions can be used to inform decision-making, such as determining inventory levels, forecasting sales, or predicting future revenue. How can users leverage AI-powered data integration to gain deeper insights into their data in Excel? Excel's AI-powered features can also help users integrate external data sources into their analysis. This can include data from social media, website analysis, customer feedback, and more. By integrating these external data sources into Excel, users can gain more comprehensive view on their data, which can lead to deeper insights and better decision-making. AI algorithms in Excel can help users automate the process of importing and integrating external data sources. This can include identifying relevant data sources, extracting data, cleaning and transforming data, and merging data sets. By automating this process, users can save time and ensure that data is accurate and up to date. Once the external data is integrated into Excel, users can use AI-powered analysis tools to gain insights into the data. For example, sentiment analysis algorithms can be used to analyze customer feedback and identify common themes or areas of concern. Natural language processing algorithms to analyze social media data and identify topics or keywords that are trending. By combining the external data with internal data sources, users can gain more comprehensive view of their businesses and make better decisions based on data-driven insights. How can AI-powered collaboration tools in Excel help teams work more effectively together? Excel's AI-powered collaboration tools can help teams work more effectively together by providing real-time feedback, suggesting improvements, and automating communication. For example, AI algorithms can be used to provide instant feedback on data quality, alerting users to error or inconsistencies in the data. This can help ensure that data analysis is accurate and reliable. AI can also suggest improvements to data analysis and visualizations based on the best practices and previous successful analysis. For example, AI algorithms can suggest the most appropriate chart types or visualization techniques for specific data sets based on the type of data and the insights being communicated. Moreover, AI-powered collaboration tools in Excel can automate communication between team members, such as sending alerts when data is updated or notifying team members of changes to the analysis. This can help teams stay on top of the latest developments and collaborate more effectively. In addition, AI can help teams work together more effectively by providing real-time access to data and analysis. This can enable team members to work collaboratively on the same data sets, regardless of their location, and make decisions based on the most up-to-date information. How can AI-powered productivity tools in Excel help users work more efficiently and effectively? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Excel's AI-powered productivity tools can help users work more efficiently and effectively by automating repetitive tasks, reducing errors, and providing real-time feedback. For example, AI algorithms can be used to automate tasks such as data cleaning, data extraction, and data transformation. This can save users a significant amount of time, allowing them to focus on higher-level tasks such as data analysis and decision-making. Moreover, AI algorithms can reduce errors in data analysis by identifying anomalies and outliers in data, highlighting potential errors or inaccuracies. This can help users ensure the accuracy and reliability of their analysis. Real-time feedback is another key feature of AI-powered productivity tools in Excel. Users can receive feedback on their analysis and visualizations as they work, allowing them to make adjustments and improvements in real time. This can help users save time and effort by identifying and correcting issues early in the analysis process. Finally, AI can help users identify patterns and trends in their data that may not be immediately apparent. This can help users uncover new insights and make better decisions based on data-driven insights. What developments in AI are we likely to see in Excel in the future, and how might they impact data analysis and visualization? Excel has already integrated AI-powered features to make data analysis and visualization easier and more efficient. However, the potential for AI in Excel goes far beyond the current capabilities. The future developments of AI in Excel may include advanced machine learning algorithms that can predict future trends and behavior, natural language processing that can understand and analyze data in text formats, the advanced automation that can handle complex data analysis tasks. For example, AI algorithms can be used to analyze larger volumes of data and make predictions about future trends or potential outcomes. This can help businesses make more informed decisions and identify potential opportunities and risks. Additionally, AI-powered natural language processing could enable users to ask questions in plain language and receive data-driven insights in response. This could revolutionize the way users interact with data, making it more accessible and intuitive. Another potential development is the integration of AI-powered automation into Excel. This could automate complex tasks such as data modeling and simulation, freeing up users' time and allowing them to focus on higher-level access and decision-making. Overall, the future developments of AI in Excel has the potential to significantly impact the way we analyze and visualize data, making it faster, easier, and more accessible. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more powerful and innovative features integrated into Excel to help users gain deeper insights from the data. Are you an artist looking to protect your creative work from data interference? Then you won't want to miss our next video on AI Topia. In this video, we'll be discussing Glaze, an innovative platform that uses AI to protect your art from data tampering and